Hey, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create YouTube intro video, just like this one you are currently watching, all for free using Canva. Okay guys, let's get started with today's tutorial. Welcome back. Kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that will need it. And please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish new and valuable content every Thursday, and we discuss topics related to WordPress, Facebook advertisement, Canva, whiteboard animation, and the likes. We discuss topics that will help you save time, save energy, and also save money. And not just that, also make you more money. Okay, enough. Let's get started with today's training. Yeah, welcome back guys. So let's get started. Now the very first you want to do is go to the Canva home page. Okay, so let's start from scratch. So log into your Canva dashboard. Once you are logged in, you can just search for video. Search for video templates. Can you see? So you'll be presented with many video templates. You can decide to choose anyone, but I would advise you create a blank video. And here is the thing: if you have not created a video on Canva at all before, there's a tutorial I have on this same channel. I'll put the link in the description below, or just check your top right corner. You can click on it. You see a tutorial on how to create video on Canva, so that will give you an in-depth understanding of what we're about to do. Okay, so don't forget, we are trying to replicate this intro video, and here is the thing: it's not a must you have yours created or designed this way. You can be more creative and do something even better than this. So all right, let's get started guys. So once you have this, the very first you want to do is to change the background color. So that depends on you and your brand. So just want to use one of your brand colors. So let me pick the color I would like to use, which is blue. Okay, let me show you something here guys. Okay, so just to get my brand color, because I could not remember the color code right now, so I just have to upload my personal logo so I can get the brand color. Can you see? So it will show you the colors. Can you see? So I'll select this, so we can delete this. So the very first thing you want to do is to write down the benefits of your channel, or what your channel entails, what people that comes to your channel will learn or gain visiting your channel. So you just want to highlight some of those benefits, or you can just write the topics you talk about. You get it now, like social media management, paid advertisement tips. You get it now, tech reviews, app reviews, and all of that. So I'll be using my own channel as a case study. So let's just get started. So press letter T to insert text. So the very first one is Facebook ads tips. Facebook ads tip. Okay, Facebook advert. Okay, let me just remove this. Yes. So the fonts you want to use, you can use different fonts like Lato, Glacier, Indifference, Montserrat, but I think I'll go with Lato, and I'll use the bold format. Can you see? So you want to change the color. So this depends on your brand colors though. So I'll use a white color so it will be more visible. Then another thing you want to do is you want to give it some spacing, like letter spacing now. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me make it 140. Awesome, I think this is okay and better. So the next thing you want to do is you want to look for an element or an icon, or an element, an icon, whatever that is animated that you can use. So what do? Just come to element. Now, as I've said, yours might be different from this. So whatever you have written here, it's not a must you search for. It's not a must to search for the keyword word for word. You just need to be creative enough. Okay, let's assume I talk about YouTube growth. You don't necessarily need to search for YouTube. I'm just giving an example now. You can just search for something like growth. Do you get it now? So it's not a must to search for everything, because if you search for the keyword word for word, you might not really get what you are looking for. So you just need to be creative. YouTube growth, okay, let me just search for growth or grow. Do you get it now? Maybe I'm talking about make money online or monetization. Just search for what? Money. Do you get it now? So what I'm trying to say here is you need to be very creative while searching the elements tab. Okay, so let's go back to Facebook ad tip, because I know I might not really get something for tip. Okay, what do? I search for Facebook, because if you see Facebook, you already know what I'm talking about, right? Now, we don't really want a static image. What you want now is an animated image. So I'm not sure. I'm using a pro account now, but I'm not sure you can filter. I'm not really sure you can filter by what's it called, by static or animated, but just check it out. If no, just take your time to look for or get what's it called, the animated one. So I'll filter my search with what? By animated. So I want just animated images to show. Can you see? So to show animated Facebook related image or element. So this is what I will select, and that's what I used here too. So you don't want something, you are creating a video, right? So you don't want something static, you want something that is moving, and that's why we are using this. Okay, so look at this. Make sure it is center. I bring it down a little while your image. Okay, I think it's better this way. Alright, so once you can do the very first one, then remaining will be the remaining slides will be very easy. And another thing you should know is this: on Canva, if you want to show different scenes on Canva, you just need to create it slide by slide. Do you get it now? So this is the first slide. So we want to create the next one, which is this Canva acts. And so what do? Since I've created the very first okay, let me since I've created the very first one here, what you do next is just duplicate it, then you change the content only. So what do we have here? Canva tips. I think we have tips and acts and tutorial. Acts and tutorial. So guys, don't forget, as I've said, you can be more creative and have something more interesting than this. So I'll search for Canva. So it will show me just what's it called, the animated, and most of them are even free. Animated images are actually free most times. So Ctrl Z, then I'll select this. So what you want to do before you even delete the previous one, you want to make sure, okay, it is kind of same size compared to the previous one. So what do? Once I've gotten that, I delete, then it brings this back here. So I think this is awesome. Okay, and the last one duplicate. What do we have here? We have how to video tutorial. So paste it here. Sorry, delete. Okay, before you delete, sorry, then you search for video icon. Can you see, as I've said, you can see how to tutorial. Like, I can't really search for something like that. Canva won't show me something reasonable. So what do? I look for something else I can use that is related to that. So what I search for video icon. Just need something animated. Okay, and that is that about that. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Yeah, awesome. Now the last slide here, you see this one is kind of sophisticated, right, compared to previous ones. So it depends on you though. You can just, for this last slide there, you can just upload your logo and your YouTube channel tagline. That's fine. That would be enough. You get it now? Just in case you do not have a video like this. You get it now? Like a personal video, probably a video of yourself while recording your tutorial, just one while recording your tutorial, like a real video of yourself, just like make that connection with your audience. But it is optional if you do not have that. You get it now? So I think I have one. This is my channel trailer that I created in January. Yeah, so that's what I'll be using, and I'll show you how you can do something like that. So the very first thing I'll do is come to element and select. So I want to replicate this. I want to show you the way I did. Okay, I'll show you the way I did this. So come back here and select this grid, because we'll be dropping our video here. Select the grid and also upload your video if you do not have the video yet on your Canva dashboard. Want to upload from images, navigate to videos, then you will click on upload. So you see all of your videos under this tab. So I'll click on it and what? So what do you want to do? The next thing I'll do is, now you look at the length of this video. It is what? 43, which is very, very long. So you click on it. So I want to trim it. Okay, I don't really want the sound now. Put off the sound. So, oh sorry. No sound. Okay, so come to trim. So you want to look at the best the best clip that you can use, because you don't want to use the whole video trailer because it is too long, right? So I'll just trim it down. Okay, let's see. Even though it is too long, right? Okay, I'll trim this off too. Okay, just in about 5 to 6 seconds here. Okay, can you see it's showing you you have up to 16.2 seconds, which is very long. Okay, I'll trim again. We have 10. Okay, I'll trim again. Okay, let me trim to 6 seconds. Can you see what I'm doing mine? So you want to look for the best clip to use. Okay, perfect. I think this is okay, right? This is okay. So what's the next you want to do again? You can just import a rectangle. So we just want to make this a little bit transparent so we can have other objects on it. So we select white and reduce the transparency. Can you see? So I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Okay, so let's design all of this. So you bring in a rectangle, just press R on your keyboard. Can you see? Okay. Then you change the color depending on your brand colors though. White is okay here. Then you just want to upload your image, like your personal image. Don't forget you are trying to build a connection with our audience. So I'll come here and just remove background. I remove the background of my image. If you do not know how to remove the background, or if you are using a free Canva account, you might not be able to access this feature. What do? Come to remove.bg. You will see a lot of, can you see? Remove.bg. What's happening? Okay. So just go to this website. I can't be going through this capture for now because of our time. Just go to remove.bg, see how you can upload an image and then remove the background of the image. Okay, so we have our image already. So what do? Just crop it a little. I really don't. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Okay, good. Okay, so just bring it down here. Then we have implement. So let me just copy this. This is just a text though. Okay. Okay, so let me do this other one too. Press R. Okay. They're almost done, guys. Okay, so here you want to, I think I won't prefer this. I think I'll prefer this color. So let me just use my blue. Then you paste or you insert the text there. Can you see? Simplified. So here you can just put your channel, your YouTube channel tagline. Can you see it? So I think now that's not all. We have created our what's it called, different slides for our video, right? And that you want to do is you want to animate all of this stuff and also reduce the time frame for each of these slides. So 6, okay, 6 is too much for just this Facebook ads tip slide. So you see the total time, total duration for this video, which is 23 seconds, which is kind of too long for a video intro. Not too long, but it is well long. So what do? I'll reduce this to 30 seconds. This should depend on the content you have that you want to display. I'll change this to 4 seconds and this to 3 seconds. Think. Now you want to add animation, right? So there are different animation that you can use. So you can just preview. You can preview everything and select the one you want to use. Can you see? These are free ones. Neon. So I use this rise. You can use a different one. That depends on you or what you are working on. Rise again. Can you see? So you select rise. Now for this last one, the animation is different. Can you see? I did not use rise here. I used this tectonic. I love the way it's displayed. Okay, let's look at another one. Photo rise, photo flow, photo zoom. No, I use this. Let's use this photo zoom. Photo zoom and photo flow. I think I'll prefer this. So when you are done, okay, let's check. Now the total seconds is just 16. The total duration is 16 seconds. So guys, let's check. Let's preview what we have done. Let's preview. Can you see? So that's all. Now you can as well add an audio, but here is the thing, I will not be adding an audio here because I need to search and get an audio. So just take your time. Now this audio feature, I think it is for pro users. What you can do again is to go source for an audio file outside of Canva, search, and what you import. So you can actually import. Nice, you can actually import the stuff here. Okay, so there are different platforms that you can use to get your audio. One is Epidemic Sounds. Can you see Epidemic Sounds? The one I use or that I've used very well is this Peslian Studios. So you just want to take your time and get a perfect audio for your project. You get it now. So once you have that, you want to just upload it right here. And don't forget guys, I have a detailed video, a detailed tutorial video on how you can create videos on Canva. That one is very detailed. I explain a lot of stuff and even how you can upload, trim, cut, edit audio, and even add audio. So I would advise you to go check that tutorial out in case you are just creating, this is your first time of creating video on Canva. Just click the button above on your top right corner, or just check the link in the description below. You will see the tutorial there. So let's preview what we have done again for the last time. I'll not be adding an audio so as not to have any copyright issue. So if you are getting any of this stuff, you can purchase the license like on this platform. With $1 you are good to go. You get it now? So you can just purchase the license. So if you upload your video on probably YouTube and the likes, you won't get any copyright claim issue. You get it now? So I would advise you have access or you have license to use that audio that you want to use. So let's preview what we have done and let's see what we have done. You can be more creative and have something more interesting than this, which is very okay. Awesome. So guys, this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you got value from this video, kindly like the video. Also drop me a comment in the comment section, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button below right now, and also turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of my awesome tutorial video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.